Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tom's TC, and today I want to show you this ABBA Superbike stand that I'll be using on my MT-01 to do some maintenance on the rear shock assembly. I decided to go for the ABBA stand because it's really hard to get the bike up off its back wheel without, using a rear paddock stand, and I need to be able to remove the rear shock and drop the wheel down and get everything out. So this is the perfect tool for that. This comes with a fitment specially designed for the MT-01. The only issue is that you have to take the covers off the side to get access to the rear spindle to enable you to connect the ABBA stand up. But it's pretty simple. It's a few bolts. You take the panels off the side and then you just attach the stand to it. So let's take a good look at the stand and the fitment for the MT-01. And if you look at the stand, it comes in two parts. This is the left hand side of the stand and this is the right hand side of the stand. You get the fitment which come for the MT-01, and what they do is you need to change the initial fitting one that comes out of the box for this one here, which is just like a little grub screw and it fits in like that, and then you put these in like so onto both sides, and then you just use this tool here to screw into the side of the bike. So let's do that now. So with the bike on its side stand, you need to give yourself plenty of room because the bike will actually roll quite far forward as it goes onto the stand. All you need to do is offer up the stand to the rear spindle on the back like so, and then move on to the left side. You basically put it onto the bottom of the stand, and again just moving it into the rear spindle like so, and then you just need to kind of line it up, tighten this little grub screw at the bottom here with your hands, and then tighten this part here like so. You don't over tighten it, just want to make sure it's nice and gripping on the bike. I would say that's good enough. And then you move to the other side of the bike and you pull the handle out, put the bike off of its side stand like so, let the ABBA stand take the weight, and then just use the lever to move the bike up onto the stand. And bearing in mind, as you move through, the side stand will actually come off because you're knocking it out of the way with the ABBA stand. So just rock it forward like so, and the bike is now on the stand. Just make sure that it's fully secure and that it's not going to go anywhere. As you can see, it's pretty secure on there, it's not going to go anywhere. And the reason that I need this stand is because of this. There's quite a lot of play in the back end, so I need to check that out. And then all you do once you've finished with the stand is a reverse order to get the bike off of the stand. So you lift up the handle like so, make sure you've got the bike with your front left hand and just rock it back. Again, just use the balance of the stand, put down your side stand and let the bike go over onto its side stand like so. And then you just remove the stand like you would before. Otherwise, this is going to be a really handy tool for me. If this is your first time watching the channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. I will show the maintenance on my rear shock in my next video. I hope you like this video. I hope it inspires you to go and buy the Superbike stand. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Tom's TC.